Hello folks, and welcome to what's been a long day, but it's not going to look like a lot. But we have basically got the motor mounting band done. So basically it's all made out of 50 by 10 flat steel. Hard to believe there's kind of most of a day's work in that, just kind of getting all of the bits and bobs right on it, but that's in. And Dave saved me from screwing up rather massively on that earlier this morning, so big thanks to our sponsor. So otherwise then what we've got is we have the beginnings of the kind of mounting frame here, where the inverter is going to go here, our Tesla charger will go here, and the new high voltage junction box will probably end up going here just over the front battery tray. So this frame is just made out of 50 by 50 box going across and 50 by 10 flat. It's just going down the sides, bolted in with what's the name of them, riv nuts. So basically, yeah, that's going to be where most of the stuff happens. The 12 volt stuff is all going to be cleaned back into the original e-box here. I'm going to pick up a few more of these relays because they're easy to mount in there. So all the 12 volt stuff in there, tidy up all this. Yeah, charger, inverter and high voltage junction box. So, you know, other kind of things like the new power steering pump will be going in there. Got to put the brake pump back in, just all kinds of bits and pieces like that. But actually having that framework going in there makes that a whole lot easier. So that's it. Yeah, as I say, not a whole lot, you know, physically visible type of thing, but you know, quite a bit of just working out what goes where and so on. So yeah, that's about it. So alrighty, actually a short video for once today. So okay, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and check those links in the description for my Patreon and PayPal. In case you want to give me money, though, you know, please don't, because I just do more of this stuff then, and that's bad. And also to be linking there to GitHub, where you can download most of the designs that I have done and I'm currently doing. And additionally, there will also be a link in there now to the new openinverter.org forum, where you can log in there, create an account, and just, yeah, basically tell me how great I am. And right, that's it. Until next time, this is a simple one this evening for you. Happy welding.